In our last video, we learned that finding oil requires a perfect geological puzzle, which is finding the petroleum system. But here is the catch. That puzzle is buried miles beneath solid rock. We can't just dig a random hole and hope for the best, so how do we actually find it? Simple. We take an ultrasound of the earth. In medicine, doctors use sound waves to see inside a human body without cutting it open. Well, geophysicists do the exact same thing to see inside the earth using a method called seismic reflection. Think about what happens when you shout into a large, empty room. Your voice bounces off the walls and echoes back to you, right? That happens because the sound waves hit a hard boundary and reflect. Rocks underground do the exact same thing. To make this work in the field, exploration crews send a massive pulse of sound energy into the ground. On land, they use giant, specialized trucks called thumper trucks that literally stamp the earth. Out at sea, specialized ships fire compressed air guns into the water. These sound waves travel thousands of feet downward. Every time they hit a boundary between different rock types, say, shifting from soft shale to hard sandstone, some of that sound energy bounces back up to the surface like an echo. Waiting at the surface are thousands of ultra-sensitive microphones, called geophones on land, or hydrophones trailing behind ships. They listen carefully and record exactly how long it took for each echo to return. Harder rocks bounce sound back faster. Softer rocks take longer. Supercomputers collect these millions of timing whispers and piece them together into a stunning 3D structural map. Suddenly, those hidden faults, folds, and oil traps stand out in plain sight. And that is how we map out a petroleum system without ever moving a single grain of dirt. Pretty wild, right? If you want to see how we test these layers next, hit that follow button and drop a comment. I'm Eddie_Nena, and I'll see you in the next layer.